Long-term mindset, choose a home suitable. We already talked about that, but once again, 5 to 7 years, that's medium, right? Not even long-term, because you can always refinance if the interest rates go lower, your home appreciates, you can sell this house and buy something better, put yourself in a position to where you can grow your real estate portfolio if you so choose to do so. It all depends also on age. If you're older and you want to just downsize, that's cool. You sell your home, get a one-level ranch or townhouse, condo. Or if you're a first-time home buyer, just get your foot in the real estate door and then work your way from there. But if you're already an established adult, you've already owned a home, your family's starting to grow, and now you just need more space, then you can then, lock your finances together and then go after your dream home. So it really depends on what stage of life you're in. Some people, it makes sense to go for that $1 million home because they've already owned multiple houses before, and or they may have an apartment, they just got married, kids, things are growing, they need a bigger home, so they just close their eyes and get that home. I'm working with a family now looking for land. They're already homeowners. They're looking for land. Husband is retired. Wife is close to retirement. And they want to build their retirement home. They're looking for acres upon acres of land, So it depends on the stage that you may be in. But for first-time home buyers, I would recommend thinking about 5 to 7 years. If I don't get a raise, if I don't get a promotion, if I only keep this job, and taxes go up, inflation, can I maintain this way of living? All right, so the 333 rule: narrow your searches to 3 serious homes, 3 desired neighborhood to reduce stress. We talked about that. Mortgage readiness, right? The pre-approval, shop different lenders. I work with one lender primarily, but I have backup lenders, and sometimes my main lender wasn't able to come through, called a backup lender, they came through. So that's something to think about. Also, I always recommend to my buyers, they come with their lenders sometimes. I tell them, hey, that's cool, you can try these 3, just make sure you apply within 10 days, because it's not going to hit your credit score 3 times. It'll be like one search if you go do 3 pre-approvals. Some say 10, some say 14. I'm on the safe side. I say try to complete these 3 applications within 10 days, so you kind of get just that one ding on your credit score, and you see what lender offers you the best rates. This is business, right? You're not trying to just go with the first lender that comes your way. A 0.5 differential in an interest rate offer, from a lender can turn up to thousands of dollars, in a 30-year span. So think about that.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.